You know the fear? Spidey! It's Sabinus. Oh yeah, now what you want to do? You say what I want to do. You brought this on yourself. What's Spidey?
Tio.
Hey, what? Mommy! You can do this. I can do it. Yeah, take. Go fight them. Madam, go fight them.
Hello my people on the day, what's on the sub? It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. My people, I beg, just make sure to watch to the very end because in this video you are going to witness the very best of comedy reaction you get. So just subscribe, drop nice comments and share this video. It's very important, you get. So don't play my people. Let's go have some fun.
You say you won't be millionaire. You won't make money. That one a very small thing. You see this my breast? You know what they call them? Breast of wealth. Breast of waiting.
Wealth.
You see this one? You go suck her 10 times today.
Give me.
This one 15 times. No mix them all. 10 times, 15 times. But if you won't go inside the innermost of me, that one go make you billionaire. You done ready?
Yes.
You done ready?
I'm not ready.
Eliana. My husband don't come. As my husband don't come now, I go hand over your matter to him. He go take over from here. Ma, they go inside now. Welcome.
Fuck up.
My wife.
Fuck
People
up.
will come here, I could have killed a lot. Look at my face.
Now you want to do money ritual?
I'm telling you.
Take this soap. If you reach house, Bafan, you'll make money.
This boy, you don't know me.
Says you spoil.
I want to make your wife attend to
Come
me.
on for years.
Says you
I'm
spoil.
not that breast where you see now don't enter your eye. You said try the wear bra. Next.
Mumu wants some bread.
Okay, I enjoy the fish. I don't like to eat outside. It's only for you. It's special for you. It's all for you people.
I didn't hate your money. Where is it?
Yes, we eat it.
Yes. Yeah, should enjoy it. Babes, I'm so proud of you. Always know you make me proud.
Anything you want to eat. Anything you want to drink.
Wait, oh, how come there's no seafood okra here?
You want seafood okra?
Yes.
It's good. There's
I don't
even
mind
sea
meal.
close to us.
You should bring more.
You like what you see? You like what you see?
One man
Picking.
picking. Enjoy. Okay, more.
But why you not on the chop?
But, enjoy.
You don't want?
They give me what they finish.
For what? Well, anyways, my baby got this.
What is this?
Are you normal? Where's your baby? No, which Ikuko do you live at home? If you touch me, I don't know why your mother gave you precious because your name should be Jezebel. The last time that I took you to restaurant, that you said that after we finish eating all the mende inside the restaurant, you will allow me to eat your own mende. Did you allow me to eat your mende? Oh no, now you still have the audacity to come here and eat on top of my head with all this your Rottweiler friends. Look at all of them. Eating as if they've got your food before. Come, madam. When I call you, that I have some people that want to come and eat in your restaurant. Did I say I'm the one that will pay? No, sir. Please, who ate all the food?
Them, sir.
Did I eat anything?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Who will you collect your money from?
From her, sir.
Thank you very much. Please, madam, if you will buy anybody among them, buy this woman first. You understand? Look at her still eating. You don't know who will pay. She's still eating me. She says she likes seafood okra. Let her be catching fish for you in that river there.
So daddy will not get sense. Beg on beg. So I don't get one.
Your story will be, I will not do transfer.
A whole comrade like me, don't tell me to go and watch play.
Never do such a
So
thing.
daddy will not get sense.
Who be that? Now your ass. Open up away my ups. Escape.
Yeah?
Which kind of rope be this now? When I know be tailor. When I know be tailor. Come in. Wait happen.
I beg Spiderman.
You know come today. He dey purge.
They don't kidnap my brother. I need help.
You need help. Spiderman! Come on for you. Ogun will kill you. Now help you need when you want break my dogs.
Spiderman, please now. They kidnap my brother.
Kidnap 100K.
No be free.
Nah, free. Me I be goat now. Many they beat me for free. Thaedoboy.
Sent.
My crew. Spiderman, shalele. More they go. Papa. What be that?
They won't come out your organ.
For waiting.
They won't sell out.
Now full stuff. Yeah. You know the fear. Spidey. It's Sabinus. Oh yeah, now what you want to do? You say what I want to do. You brought this on yourself.
What's Spidey?
Tio.
Mommy.
I can't do this.
I can do it. Yeah, take. Go fight her. Spiderman, go fight her.
Tio. This world is not mine.
Spidey. You have been disturbing my business for a while now. How now? Me will be introvert.
Since when?
I'm Spiderman. Boss. My toto, What be this?
You have very healthy organs.
And I don't get any organs, so boss, I just smoke to go.
I wonder how much for Spidey's organs. Any buyers?
1 million.
2 million. I'm Spiderman.
450.
So. Angry organ for the seller. Mark Mamini.
Now I won't fight with this. Listen now, I won't fight. I'll go and fight. I know they fight again.
Hello.
Wait for just enter inside.
Come on, a beautiful girl like you not supposed to walk on that sun. Make son of man to drop you off.
No, it's okay. I'm just headed close by.
That one no mean, make I drop you off.
I said I'm fine. I'll just walk.
Baby girl, I insist to make a man drop you off. Una shakara de too much, you say.
Okay, fine. You insist. Thank you.
I don't know, say fine girl like you, they stay this our area.
Thanks for the compliment. Please turn right.
Okay.
Yeah, we're 3. My mom is evil and my dad is worried.
No worry. You find well.
No worry.
Please turn right.
Okay, right again, I mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, now you say you don't almost reach where you dey go.
Asa, we don't drive over 1 hour 40 minutes. You sure say that this our estate where you still stay?
Yes, we're almost there.
Please turn right.
Just turn left.
Oh, left.
Left again. I don't know, say this our estate big like this.
I'm sorry, just turn left.
My girl, we just talk, say she don't almost reach your estate.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now?
Oh.
You carry me, they walk out the whole Lagos for over 3 hours now. Hey! The motor don't dance inside Poto now. How you want to come up for here? Go left, to go right, to go left, to go right. Are you alright?
Look, I'm really sorry, okay? I can actually walk. My place is close by.
Go. How want to know the problem? You know say you na fine girl now. You sabi drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Now they drive and now make I find way push am.
Your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk.
She will carry your car come out.
I'm so sorry for the stress.
Please go
right.
You know, for sure, come up for your car.
No.
I'll never see it.
Calm down.
This place is not safe now.
Go down from this motor, it's
Since morning.
I won't punish you. Carry me the parabolets, your own money.
Can you imagine?
The dress.
We dey play with fire.
My tire don't let's finish. Huh? Only God knows which kind of this way.
Hey! All my millions.
We're almost there. But don't worry. I'll walk.
The girl send you. She not send you, now you go do that one. She not send you.
On the
Hey,
line,
father! Father! Good father.
Mamuka! You my guy.
Agkaay.
May the Lord be praised.
Thank you,
I
father.
saw what you did today. You putting 1,000 into the offering box. That is amazing. That shows me that your love for God is increasing.
It's not 1,000, father. But God will do it. One day, God will be putting 1,000. But I have it in mind to be putting 1,000. Just that the mind is willing, but the hand is folded.
No. I saw it. I saw the 1,000. My eyes was on you. And I was surprised you put 1,000. You know, you normally put 50 naira, 20 naira. But I said, let me watch you and see what you will do. But you put 1,000.
Wait, okay, let me go. Father, no, father. Wait. Now the 15 naira I won't drop this. Maybe now I'll use drop 1,000. I go like for you. Can I have it, abeg?
Huh? You put the money in the offering box now, and the money shouldn't be with me. It's in the church.
No,
father.
Father, no. Give me if you reach church, abeg. May you tell them send me tickets, abeg.
Not for me, you give, but you give to God.
Ah, go carry 1,000 put offering box on the place. I dey collect that for when for put. Madam,
now you get the foul.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of.
Madam. Now 1,000 for them.
So that by mistake they put the 1,000. You know do I'm intentional.
Wow.
Something smells nice.
Let's have it. Come on.
Baby. Fire rice. You know I love fire rice. Hold on. Let me get my spoon.
Jesus. Are you playing?
You know carry the food wrong.
You think it's a joke? I hope you have not finished everything.
Look at my face.
Nigerians.
Previously.
Yeah, I want to buy food. What should I buy for you?
No, I don't need anything. I'm full.
Okay.
Are you sure?
You don't want anything? I'm very sure. Like, my stomach is full. I don't need anything. Just do it.
So they will say they don't want to chop anything. Once you buy them, like that
You don't get any day for Nigeria. When I tell you say I be good man before, there was no day we be saying me how you they talk. I thought you say I be good person.
Don't give them anything for year.
Are you whining yourself? Whining you. You not be worship me when I'm not getting it. Now you don't accept it. They alright. You want to worship me as some
Don't give up.
Don't worry. You will regret.
You will regret your life.
I don't take nonsense.
Women.
Showing on. Lost in love.
You take it easy now. You know I'm a virgin.
Not making no open leg way.
Everything is tight now. Take it easy.
My guy don't fall inside the way.
You go knock any girl they call Lopez?
Yes.
When they say she be virgin?
Hi.
Just carry motor balance and carry you. Now go carry that girl. That's what I tested myself here.
You never find your way out.
If you find way out, come on for here. I put bottomless pit now with this so.
Ha!
Something will kill him.
Oh man, another man.
Pluto, where my 7 dollars in that for answer? Pluto, not be here, you go drop money now. What do you find come here? Pluto, now wait to carry you come here, not carry me come here.
We got to the point tonight.
Yes, now. After you pay my money before come here.
Oh, sorry, one time you say now, Pluto pass at yeah.
Oh
Pluto!
even the landlords, all of them don't enter inside the same one.
When I need to see you every day.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Bia, what's the name of that game I saw you playing yesterday?
And that is Rubet now. www.rubet.com, where you can play all these casino games and other sports games. That's where I play games and earn money.
Hope there's no problem. Who is this?
She said her name is Precious and she's looking for work.
I just want to say you are looking for work. Is it true?
I'm looking for a job. See, I can do anything. I can clean, I can cook. Sir, please.
Cleaner?
Yes, sir.
But the problem is that I have many children, and they are the ones cleaning the house for me. So we don't need the cleaner for now. Are you okay? Yeah, sorry, we don't need the cleaner for now.
Okay, sir.
Dalu, what's up with you now?
Jesus.
Yeah, mommy, come here. Come.
Exactly, I can see you, sir. You are.
Is there any problem, sir?
No problem at all.
Oh, yeah, give her a
I
job.
just remember my children are very lazy. So my brothers have been cleaning the house. Yes, now. Don't mention. Thank God.
I can start tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow, okay.
Start now, okay?
You can start today. The kitchen is by the right, Tell me water.
Daddy!
What is it?
Why did you change your mind?
You blind?
You never see that?
So at your age like this now, you still very foolish.
Bro, cut in the act.
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ. Get too stiff cause the thing's too round, good God. Make me lift up your gown but your face so sweet. All the girls that's here for the
truth. Man, wait, once done the inside the hand.
I don't send you your 20k balance. See your Uber for you, see my own for you.
And wait, why am I just retain for tonight? I'm not just the apartment.
I don't understand. Should be I just pay you. Why not use your balance? They retain now. The AC never come off for your head. Okay, they go your house.
They go now, they go.
Why this one they call me now? Hello?
Hello, babe. Help me check that your alert. I mistakenly sent 200k instead of 20k. I'm going to account now. May send me 180k. Keep the 20k. I beg.
Why?
I don't understand. Should be why they create now your money. Send back my money, John. I want to send the account now.
Oh, God, send the account. Make I send you back your 20k, John. And you know say no one is 20k. Talk now. Make I block you.
You
want your blocking?
Okay. No, send that like that. I'm happy for Uber.
Don't be a Jezebel.
No worry. God, they watch.
You don't really tell me for yeah?
I know be good girl again.
180k this period, man. Hello?
Wait, Nadia, you have to come back.
What happened? Why?
I mistakenly sent you 2 million.
Hello?
Never look back.
If I turn back, make I turn to short. I said it look front. My radar. Stop my shine. No one feels stop this, my bed.
Your enemies will not ever find you or may they leave you.
I send them back.
Yo, that's it, Dino Milai. Respected Gagatwa, Honorable Debo, Ayeba, somebody call the Popo. Respect,
that's my guy.
Hello.
Hey, bro, I beg you know, see my wedding they come. So I want me to join my Agbada me.
Majo Yashobi. Also, no be that your guy will be Wasabi, because your guy will be you.
This one me, you only talk B. I want B.
That's the below. That's it. Nashi.
Nashi. I just discovered say me and she they compatible. So I want you run once.
Compatible. Get where you meet today for you. You don't be shaka, huh?
I believe you.
That's it.
I'm able.
What's this up?
This one be security matter everywhere, so hope everywhere good.
Yo, if we tell you how many I should be here, and Agbada will not do for people marriage, when the marriage don't last, you will not carry your own come.
Jesus!
Hey! I don't come if I should be again.
Jesus.
When I'm married, baby say one time the last person. Sit down for them. The last one to tell you nothing. We tell him.
Jesus.
Because you know
Jesus.
Everywhere good.
Young man, due to the incessant proliferation of divorce cases in the society, it is therefore imperative for you to swear an oath that before my client here portray this Ashwebi, that this marriage will last for 100 years. No worry, if not death you dey fear, God got you. You don't go die young. Sign.
Well, which kind rubbish thing be this one? I'm able. Which one you the bring lawyer?
Now be you want marry. Sana.
Which kind rubbish thing be that one? I don't say anything. Which one be saying make I sign? What about if you change for front? Me you know say woman are 50-50. Angel today fit on demon tomorrow.
Which one be? What do you mean by angel today fit on demon tomorrow? If she can't change, what will happen?
We divorce. We go our separate ways.
After you don't make them pay.
We're going to cruise on and we're going to wear on. It's my church or shows. We're going to wear on.
Because we don't know where boutique they are.
Don't worry, leave her.
Don't be there. We cruise and based on we cruise fast. Do you not be lying? You know about the regard where I get for you, about where you slap. I get too much regard on you, but the way they see you, like you be very anyhow person. When I don't make divorce case, many past marriage in the world. If you do this to good thing before,
again.
Everywhere good. Wait for me. I'll be come. Alpha Mujaga. In all you do, pray make you marry right. Because no matter how successful a man is, if he fail for marriage, Mujaga, you don't finish with that. But love the environment, more rent at this guy. He doesn't say.
Not let any girl deceive you go marry.
I swear.
Let you that for him. Hey, road rage.
Hey, I'm warning you. Leave my daddy alone. Huh? Daddy, see your face. I was telling you that time. The guy really messed you up.
You better shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Chinedu, what happened on the road? Stay on the road. Your mommy must not know anything.
Daddy, but you know it's not good to lie.
It's not good to lie. Is it good to watch Blue Film? Hey. You are watching it like a professional. It's not good to lie. Better shut up your mouth.
Simon, mommy's even outside.
What's happening? Why your papa there?
It's fine.
Why your papa?
It's just a small accident, mommy. Mommy now.
See the man inside motor now.
Accident. It's fine. See, you can see that it's fine.
What's happening now? I don't be here to ask.
Mommy, you just want.
You know what talk? You know what talk?
About 4 of them. They come, they just bash my car. They come, they say they want to carry my car. I said no. I am on Tuba Junction. My son is in the car, you can't do that.
My son is in the car. That's my guy tell the lie.
I've beat 3 of them.
Lying with confidence.
I start beating me. He beat me, but I survived.
Yeah, you did a bit of papa like this, eh? And a bit of papa like this.
Mommy, at least I was able to do something now.
What do you do about it?
Check it.
The camera. If you did them.
You know video?
Yes, now the people you were beating.
They beat my man.
You are making video.
At least I can make something. Yes.
No be your mate they fighting. Why not beat this person?
Very young boy that is beating daddy.
This pikin beat you. You no fit beat her. You want to beat your own pikin for her.
You not see his muscle?
Why the muscle there?
You not see his muscle.
This your mouth. Yeah, this person you go to talk. I don't say you don't old.
No man.
You don't beat that. You don't rest. You never rest. Now how time you get power to the beat your pikin. Must you touch your pikin again? Touch me again. Make I see.
My face.
Your face. Come is going to make I come press your face for you.
Like I'm gonna kill a lot of you.
Haku.
Don't so smart.
You make video of what you're embarrassing your father.
But daddy, you know it's not good to lie now.
It's not good to lie.
Yes.
It's not good to lie. That's why you're going to lie under the bridge tonight.
I'm not lying on the bridge. Mommy.
I said get
out of my house.
I'm gonna show you, motherfucker.
Hey. 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 Ah, Pesede on the own. Hey. Hey.
Here we go, that guy's gonna almost kill someone!
Hey, not even person that go see you. Which kind of nonsense compilation be this one? Anyway, I just saw it and I said, okay, let me include this. You get it's not Nigeria, it's kind of all these foreign ones. You get. So my guys, thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Please let's have it right in the comment section. And like I always tell you guys, make sure to subscribe because it's very important for the growth of my channel. And trust me, I'm so happy right now because in 2 days time my strike will be lifted because for a very long time now I've been on strike. Like YouTube striked me, gave me 2 strikes. So I've been on strike and it's been weighing me down, for a very long time. And in the next 2 days it will be lifted and trust me, I'm very, very excited. I'm looking forward to it. You get. So my people, make sure to share this video. Make sure to check out my other videos because trust me, you're gonna like everything on my channel. You get. So see you in my next video, people. Peace and love, guys.